Hardworking equipment for hardworking towing professionals. Miller Industries is ready to roll when you are.
Welcome to American Towman TV. American Towman TV.
Hello, I'm Emily Oz. Welcome to Tow Industry Week. Here's what's making towing news headlines across the country right now. A towman dangles almost 100 feet above a busy interstate. Sounds like a scene from an action movie, right? Nope, this was real life during a skilled recovery in Texas. It took over 4 hours for the crews of Jordan Towing out of Plano, Texas, to clear this 40,000-pound drilling rig from the roadway. The rig had fallen off the flatbed that was hauling it. Operator Tony Williams volunteered to harness up and do the rigging necessary to clear the unit.
A couple of guys standing around me going, "There's no way I'm going to do that." And I said, "Well, why not? I'll do it."
Williams says he was not scared at all despite being up almost 100 feet in the air. He describes the technique of the job.
If we were to only pull from this side of the unit itself, all that's going to do is just pull up against that wall, and it's just going to fight us. So the thing to do is to lift it and then pull it straight over.
So is there any job that's too big for you? Any job that's too tough?
We haven't come across one yet.